Pell City homeowners experience a wide range of weather throughout the year: hot and humid summers, chilly winter mornings, and plenty of rainstorms in between. Because of these changing conditions, your home's windows must be strong enough to resist moisture, heat, and temperature fluctuations. That's why vinyl windows have become one of the most popular choices for Pell City properties. They offer durability, energy efficiency, and weather resistance perfectly suited for Alabama's climate. If you're planning a window upgrade, here's how weather-resistant vinyl windows help protect your Pell City home while keeping it comfortable year-round. Excellent moisture resistance for humid Alabama summers. Pell City's warm and humid summers can take a toll on older or poorly sealed windows. Wood frames can swell, warp, or rot when exposed to moisture, and aluminum frames may corrode or develop condensation issues. Vinyl windows, however, are naturally moisture-resistant, making them ideal for humid or rainy conditions. Vinyl frames will not absorb moisture, swell or warp, rot or decay, peel or require painting. This makes them a long-lasting option that maintains its appearance and performance even during humid summers or heavy rainfall. Superior insulation keeps homes cool in summer and warm in winter. Energy efficiency is a major benefit of vinyl windows. Thanks to their multi-chambered frame construction and insulated glass options, vinyl windows help stabilize temperature inside your Pell City home. Features that boost comfort include double or triple pane glass, argon gas between panes, low E glass coatings, thermally resistant frame materials. These energy-efficient components help reduce heat entering during hot summer months and keep warm air inside during cooler winter days. As a result, homeowners enjoy consistent indoor comfort and lower energy bills. Excellent resistance to weathering and sun exposure. Pell City residents experience strong sunlight, especially during the summer. UV exposure can cause many window materials to fade, crack, or become brittle over time. Vinyl windows contain UV-resistant additives that prevent fading and deterioration caused by sun exposure. This helps maintain the window's color, structural integrity, and finish for years. Whether your home receives full sun or partial shade, vinyl windows stay strong, attractive, and weather-resistant. Strong, airtight seals for wind and storm protection. Pell City sees its share of thunderstorms, strong winds, and occasional severe weather. Vinyl windows are built with durable, fusion-welded frames that form a tight, secure seal. This makes them excellent at resisting wind infiltration, air leaks, water intrusion. Pressure changes during storms. Their airtight construction helps keep your home safer and more comfortable in unpredictable Alabama weather. Low maintenance and long-term durability. Weather-resistant vinyl windows require very little maintenance. Unlike wood, they never need sanding, staining, or repainting. Unlike metal frames, they don't rust or corrode. Simply cleaning with mild soap and water keeps vinyl windows looking like new. Homeowners appreciate that vinyl windows hold up well to seasonal changes, don't crack or peel, offer long-lasting performance with minimal upkeep. This durability makes them a cost-effective, worry-free choice for Pell City homes. Noise reduction. For a more peaceful home, vinyl windows, especially those with insulated glass, also help block outdoor noise. This is beneficial for Pell City homes near busy roads, schools, or active neighborhoods. Insulated frames and multi-pane glass help reduce street traffic noise, outdoor activity sounds, weather-related noise, such as heavy rain or wind. This creates a more peaceful, comfortable indoor environment for your family. A smart window upgrade for Pell City homeowners. With their moisture resistance, strong insulation, UV protection, and low maintenance needs, vinyl windows are perfectly suited for Pell City's varied climate. Whether you want to improve comfort, reduce energy bills, or boost your home's durability, weather-resistant vinyl windows offer long-lasting value and year-round protection. If you're ready to enhance your Pell City home with windows that stand up to Alabama's weather, vinyl windows are a smart, reliable investment.